Guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be learning some of the properties of the functional interface. Actually, there are two properties we have. We will be learning them one by one. Okay. The first property of functional interface is that if you are writing a functional interface, inside the functional interface, at least you should be defining a single abstract method. If you are not writing a single abstract method, if you are not defining a single abstract method, then then JVM will be throwing a compilation error. So that is the one thing. And the second property is, let's say you have written a single abstract method and you want to write one more abstract method inside the functional interface. In this case also, the functional interface will be getting an error because see, as the definition itself, it says that the functional interface will take only a single abstract method. Okay, if you are writing more than one abstract method, JVM will not accept it. It will throw an exception. Okay, let's see that I have a workspace handy. Let me create a single interface. Okay, let's check it whether it is working fine or not. Okay, let me go to my package and let me create an interface over here, Java class, and here we have to check on the interface and let me give the interface name. I'll be giving the interface name as I1. Okay, I1 interface is created. Now the interface, this is a normal interface. So if you're writing a normal interface, it doesn't throw any exception if you're not writing a single abstract method also. If you are making this interface as a functional interface by using the functional interface annotation, now the functional interface will expect at least a single abstract method. Okay, it will be expecting a single abstract method. If you are not writing the single abstract method in an interface, so it will be throwing an exception. So here we are getting the exception. It is saying that no target method found. So you should be at least providing one method actually. Let's say, for example, if I write void display the method I have, it is an abstract method. Now the error gone. Okay, so it is with this you can understand that in functional interface it is mandatory to write a single abstract method. That is a one property. If you try to write more than one abstract method, let's say I'll be writing the other method called info. Okay, so info is also an abstract method now. So if you are writing more than one abstract method inside the functional interface, again it is throwing an exception, right? Multiple non-overriding abstract methods found in an interface. So it is saying that multiple abstract methods found. So you should remove any one abstract method. When I remove the info abstract method, I'm not getting any error. Okay, so you should always keep in mind, if you're writing the functional interface, always keep in mind that you should be defining a single abstract method inside the functional interface. In the next lesson, we will be discussing about the default and static methods. Okay, we will be writing default and static methods inside the functional interface only. Functional interface only. Okay, fine then. Okay, thank you for watching. In the next session, we will be learning about the default and static methods.